The monopoly of news. Why ANI replaced PTI or Prasar Bharati? Look at any major news break in India today. From the Prime Minister's international summits to the heart of the Galwan Valley, there is one logo you will always see, ANI. But have you ever wondered why a private agency has more access than the government's own multi-billion rupee broadcaster, Prasar Bharati? And why was PTI, the grand old lady of Indian news, suddenly shown the door? Today, we decode the massive shift in how the Indian government controls the narrative. For decades, the Press Trust of India, PTI, was the gold standard. If PTI moved a story, it was gospel. Then there's Prasar Bharati, the parent of DD&A. With thousands of employees and a massive budget, they should be the ones leading the charge. But something changed. The government began to view these autonomous bodies as too slow, too bureaucratic, and sometimes too independent. The cracks started showing in 2020 when Prasar Bharati accused PTI of anti-national reporting during the China standoff. That was the day the old guard died. Enter ANI. Why does the government love them? 3 words: speed, synergy, and synergy. While Prasar Bharati is tied down by government file work, ANI operates like a digital commando unit. They don't just report news, they provide the feed. Every private news channel in India, from Republic to NDTV, depends on ANI's raw footage. By giving ANI exclusive access, the PMO ensures that one specific angle, one specific visual, and one specific narrative is broadcast on 500 screens simultaneously. It's the ultimate PR masterstroke. The friction with PTI wasn't just about speed, it was about control. PTI's interviews often ask the uncomfortable questions. In contrast, ANI's interviews with the Prime Minister are often criticized by the opposition as being choreographed. But for the government, this isn't a bug, it's a feature. They want a reliable partner who can relay their message without the friction of traditional journalism. By withdrawing support from PTI and favoring ANI, the government effectively chose a service provider over a watchdog. But the story doesn't end with ANI. In a move that shocked the media industry, Prasar Bharati signed a massive deal with Hindusthan Samachar, a news agency with deep ideological roots. This effectively replaced PTI's objective wire service with one that aligns closely with the ruling party's vision. Now, the loop is complete: high-speed visuals from ANI for TV, and ideological ground reporting from Hindustan Samachar for the wires. Prasar Bharati, the supposed independent broadcaster, is now just a consumer of these private feeds. So, why did the government give more benefits to ANI and sideline its own child, Prasar Bharati? Because in the age of social media, perception is reality. They traded the slow, heavy machinery of state media for the agile, narrative-aligned power of private agencies. It's more efficient, it's faster, and it's much easier to manage. But the question remains, when the state stops trusting its own broadcasters and favors private partners, who is really keeping the public informed? Is it news, or is it just a very well-produced show? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.